Imagine a retreat away from all the noise of everyday life, situated on 1,300 acres in the woodlands of Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Grand Geneva Resort and Spa offers a variety of adventures one can only experience at this AAA Four Diamond Wisconsin resort. Enjoy the landscape of Wisconsin's rolling hills as the backdrop to your Lake Geneva getaway. With 2 championship golf courses, family-friendly ski hills, an award-winning spa, noteworthy restaurants, and the largest meeting space in the area, Grand Geneva Resort is the best getaway destination for you. And within the picturesque grounds of Grand Geneva Resort and Spa, you'll find Timber Ridge Lodge and Water Park. This resort is sure to set the stage for your next family vacation. It was proudly named USA Today's Best 10 Water Parks. This indoor water park is sure to make a splash with the whole family. Grand Geneva Resort and Spa is a 4-season resort. Summers in Wisconsin are beautiful. Fresh air, rolling greens. Enjoy refreshing seasonal drinks while lounging by the outdoor pool. As the air gets crisp, the leaves start to change color, and pumpkin-flavored drinks flood all of the menus, you'll fall in love with Grand Geneva Resort and Spa. They have a wide array of your favorite autumn activities for all ages. And now winter. Winter's the specialty at Grand Geneva, and they are never short on things to do. With skiing, snowboarding, sledding, and ice skating, the mountaintop has something for everyone all winter long. And no holiday is complete without a visit to their annual Christmas in the Country, with holiday adventures coming to life during this 6-week-long celebration. For more information on planning your ultimate getaway vacation at the Grand Geneva Resort and Spa, visit them online at grandgeneva.com.